Okay, so let's give you guys some practice now. So remember, keep an eye on this. Whenever you have a log here plus another log, you can merge these two together. Okay, but make sure the two bases are the same here, to the base A to the base A. And whenever you have a log, take away another log, you can merge these two together to give you this. Okay, and when you take a log of something, the end can go just keep an eye out for these. Okay, so the first question here is this: solve this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, hopefully you should be able to spot this. You've got one log plus another log here, so you know you can merge the two together. So when you have a plus, you multiply these two together. So here, if you look at this here, whenever you have a plus, whenever you have one thing plus another thing here, you can merge the two. Whenever you take away, then you get one divided by the other. Okay, well here you've got plus here, so you can merge the 3 and the x together. That will then give you this, and then now translate this. So when you are here, translate this. Your eyes to zoom in into the base here. So it's 5 to the power of what will give us this thing here. So it's 5 to the power of what, but in this case the what is the 2 here. So 5 to the power of 2 gives us this. So when you're here, you translate it to this. Okay, and then this is in fact this. Okay, so when you are here, translate it. It will then give you this. So now it's just a matter of solving x. So x equals this thing here. Okay. So next question here. Okay, so solve this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so here you can see that it's one log taking away another log, and check that the two bases are the same. Because they're the same, you can merge them together. So it's really a matter of this divided by this. So that takes you to here. Okay, now translate. Looking at this is base 7. So your eyes should zoom into the 7. 7 to the power of what will give us this thing here over 4. But the what in this, so it's 7 to the power of what, but what in this case is the 2. So this translates to this. So when you are here, so that's the same as this here. Okay, so when you are here, translate it to this, and now it's just a matter of solving x. So times both sides by 4, and then that will give you that. Okay, so x equals this. So now next one here. Okay, so yeah, so press pause and have a go. Solve, work out x. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, you can see it's one log taking away another log, and check the two bases are the same. So now you can just get this divided by this. Okay, so you can jump to here, and now translate. So your eyes to zoom into this here. So it's 3 to the power of what, but what in this case is the 2 here, gives us, so it's 3, hang on, start again. So it's 3 to the power of what gives us this thing here, which is this here, but the what in this case is the 2. So when you translate this, it will give you this, and this is exactly the same as this thing here. Okay, so when you're here, translate it to this, and now it's just a matter of solving x. So times x to both sides, and then blah blah blah. Take away 1x from both sides, that will give you this, and blah blah, x equals this. Okay, next question here, last one here. So solve this one here. Yeah, solve this one. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so here you can see it's one block taking away another block, so you know you can get this divided by this. Okay, that will then take you to this. So now whenever you've got log and then log on this side here, let's work in reverse. If I were to give you this, this equals x here, well, you could log both sides. So you could log both sides, giving you well, log this side and then log this side here. Then that would be exactly the same as this. So now you really, when you have this here, you can work backwards to give you what we had earlier. So earlier it was just this thing equals this thing here. So whenever you're at this stage here, you can actually jump to this. Okay, so you can actually say this is equal to this. So from here, you can jump to here. Okay, and then once you're here, times both sides by 2, and then take away 1x from both sides, then that will give you x equals 2. So here's your answer. And if you don't believe me, then you can put it into here, and then it will give you this thing here. Okay, so here x equals 2.